What's up, guys? Today we're playing. No, we're playing Thomas and Friends Minis made by Bud Studio. It's a mobile game.
Clear the tracks! Engine coming!
Okay.
Come see what's new in Hello Kitty Nail Salon. Create your own awesome...
I said no. Okay, so I need one more golden gear. That looks very ugly right there.
Emily's Coast. Embark on a wild ride with Emily in the Coaster City Pack. Exciting tracks, a Ferris wheel, a carousel, and much more are waiting for you at the fair. James's Hero and Gordon's Winter Wonder. Victor and
5525.
this is your collection. It shows you the items you have yet to find inside surprise bags and the ones you already own.
And I also need some more blueprints.
Just tap on any object to see it. Ready, set,
Another
build.
train set.
Bud Studios presents Miss Hollywood Lights, Camera, Fashion.
How about you, Miss Pollywood? Let's just put the whole area made out of water. This is Spencer's Aqua Park. No, this is gonna be
Splendid.
Thomas's Aqua Park.
What?
Thomas's Aqua Park. Thomas's Aqua Park. Who do you like? What do you like better, guys? Thomas talking British English, or American English, or Canadian English? Okay, it's kind of a weird question. I'm not gonna say it again. Kind of making the same thing.
That looks great.
Let's go.
Look over there. A golden gear.
It's a golden gear. Terrain. Speed boost. And now wrong one. Now let's put let's put that one. This is how the strategy is.
You're a most useful engineer.
No! Bro, I hate that. There. Let's go. Let's go, baby. This is like a boosting area. Thank you.
A golden gear has just appeared.
Another golden gear just appeared. Hey, where did the other one go? This is miserable. Let's go.
Good work.
Bro, I literally put all the decorations.
Classic Thomas.
Let's go on top.
Wonderful.
Yeah, we got it.
You've earned a new surprise.
We're gonna open our surprise.
The looping rail.
We got the looping bridge.
Brilliant! You have enough pieces to build a new blueprint.
We
Here's a
got
booklet
new
to show you
blueprint.
how.
Let's go. Blueprint. We got a new one.
Budge Studios presents Barbie Magic.
With these eyes. I'm still playing more.
Ready, set, build! Magnificent landscape! You've placed everything you need from this shelf.
I'm gonna put the boosters first.
Classic Thomas.
Let's put that there. Oh my god. Watch that.
Now drag any object and we'll show you where it goes.
And there
You've
you
placed everything you need from this shelf.
go. And now let's put the...
You've placed everything you need from
now
this
let's
shelf.
put these ones. There.
Congratulations!
We did it.
What a fantastic
We're
train
gonna get
set!
another surprise because we completed another blueprint. It's gonna be a mini.
You earned a new mini, Aquatic Thomas.
Let's go.
You can use your finger to...
We need only one more.
Hi, I'm Caillou.
I don't
Today,
like
I'm visiting the doctor for a checkup. Join me.
No, I'm not
Choose
gonna
which
join
blueprint
you,
you'd like to build.
I don't like you, Caillou.
Ready,
Make another
set,
train set.
build!
Yeah, this is gonna be crazy. I'll see you later.
To remove an item from the map, drop it in the grey area at the bottom of the screen.
And there, and there, and there. Okay, let's put it there.
A powerful spell has been unleashed in Ponyville, and all the colors have gone.
Hold up. Hold up.
Do you want to help me find a new treasure? Tap on the treasure chest if you're up for the challenge.
There you go. Time to change the terrain. Yeah, that was my mistake. There you go. This looks very nice. Now let's put... Actually... I want to decorate it. Hold on, we don't need it.
Good work! Here comes the golden gear.
Okay.
Classic Thomas.
I cheated!
Only 2 gears left to get your...
Oh my god, stop with the ads.
your reward.
Guys, I think I'm gonna end the video off here. If you guys enjoyed, smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye, bye bye bye. And see my face reveal. I did a face reveal. Bye. Bye.